We're here at Cross Keys College again for the Caerphilly Challenge series. This year is the Tumbalum Trek, which is the infamous lots of ascent challenge and beautiful walking in our countryside in the area. So the event has something to suit everyone. We've got routes that are 1 to 5 mile, 10 mile leads, we've got 15 mile route and 21. So there really is something for everyone to enjoy. And they take in some of the most spectacular scenery that we have here within the borough, including of course the Tumbalum Hill Fort, making our way through the forestry, over to Mynydd the Lan and then over to the Machyn Ridgeway. So today they would have had spectacular views right down to the channel.
It's been really nice to welcome in, over 350 people. Walkers have come from everywhere across the country, from north of England, from the Republic of Ireland, from all corners of Wales, taking in historic sites like Tumbalum, where volunteers sort of help maintain some of our landscape and our walks on that route. Different bits of the valley. There's a Howie Valley, looking through the woodland, working with NRW to make sure some of the routes are ready for walkers to pass through there, and also picking up our COVID memorial woodland that we worked with the Welsh Government to create in an Ishowell farm in the Howie Valley. So it's been really, really enjoyable getting everybody out.
It is challenging, there are some sections that are really steep. But it is the challenge, and afterwards you say, I've done that.
It was a fantastic route, really enjoyed it. The views from the top, we didn't realise you could actually see across Newport and into Cardiff and whatnot. It was fantastic. And the views are all around as well, so it's not just sort of certain parts. Once you get on the top and you walk in, you can see all the villages and the farmhouses, and it was beautiful. Absolutely stunning, yeah, really enjoyed that. That was probably the best bit of it, to be honest.
As well as supporting communities, getting people outdoors, it's really nice for us as Caerphilly County Borough Council and our partners to be able to support local businesses as well as local communities, because all of that helps build and maintain our communities and our spaces.
Yet again, the event has been a huge success this year. I think that is evidenced by the people coming back in through the door with smiles on their faces, the doggies with the waggy tails, where everybody really is chatting and excited to have finished the routes and enjoyed the day. So I think, the attendance has been great, the support of the volunteers has been great. It really has been another successful event this year, which is great to see, and we're really excited about next year.
The first time I did it was 2012, and it was just as good then. The atmosphere is always happy and jolly, and all the volunteers and everybody organising, really friendly, and they're all great people. Oh, join in. It doesn't matter if you do 1 mile, 22 miles, self-led, led. Join in, have fun. Just do a mile if you want to do a mile. Just get out there, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the mountains, enjoy the walks. Just don't sit at home on the settee wishing you had.